Everybody, I'm Matthew Gorman. I'm the Western Region Sea Scout Bosun. In the region, we're going to start this new program which involves training videos. We're going to talk about anything from tying knots to leadership to doing stuff on the boat, and that's pretty much it. Anything under the book or anything that needs more explanation or more knowledge about, we're here to talk about. So our first topic is going to be on leadership and kind of the distractions that happen along during the meeting or when you're on the boat. And the main distraction usually around these days is that cell phones are a major distraction. And cell phones are really awesome and sometimes are horrible, so don't get mad and try to throw someone's cell phone overboard if they're trying to handle a line and talk on their cell phone at the same time. So distractions are anything that can cause a situation to become, I guess, dangerous, you would say, especially on the boat. And during the meetings, cell phones aren't as bad. They just distract people from learning the information or doing the activity. So one of the things I would do as a bosun would to, first of all, try to get them to be active. And if they don't like the activity at hand, it's going to be hard to get them active. So usually if you pair them up with someone, like if it's an older person in the crew, you pair them up with a new crew member to get them to teach the new crew member or to get them to work in teams together, especially if you're doing stuff like knots or doing rope work or doing rules of the road. It's pretty complex stuff, especially in some of the navigation stuff like buoys and such. So you want to team them up so that they're off their cell phone and they keep active. On the boat, it's usually a problem when you're having them do something to get the boat into a specific place like the dock or something. So the way to try to keep them off their cell phones is just remind them before they go out that, okay, when we're doing a specific maneuver, we're not going to use our cell phones because that's going to be a distraction, because you can't handle lines and listen to the person in charge and also be texting your friend about what you're doing in Sea Scouts right now. So a good reminder is basically don't tell them that they can never use their cell phone. Just try to get them off it, and it's not really a bad thing if they're just texting their friend real fast, or they're not going to be distracted when they're using the boat. Alright, that's it for today. If you have any other training ideas or something that you want to have more information about, we can do a video about it. Just email me and we'll talk about it. And just remember, this is the Western Region Sea Scout Bosun, and thank you for listening.